First the doggies. Doggy. Here you go. I'll have some hot for you in a minute. The dog's always first. Remember that, folks. The pets first, then the humans. Okay, where's Holly's bowl?
Like my dad said, pets first.
There, wait, where'd you go? Oh, never mind.
Why?
He's right here.
Oh.
There you go. Okay, on to us humans. Bacon, egg, and cheese breakfast burritos. Mm-mm. Bacon and shrinkage. Thin bacon. Yeah, one more.
You want some sausage patties?
No, forgot about that. Yeah. Yeah, you can do. Can I get a paper plate from you? Litter bug. Well, good morning. So my wife's on Arizona Camping Families. Someone asked about, water while dispersed camping, and some of the ways to save. And here in a second, I'll show you one of our ways that we use to save water while we're dispersed. Now, we found this dish pan at Aldi's. We have an Aldi's out here, but you can buy them on Amazon. They're collapsible camping dish pans. And then on the bottom has a drain plug that you can pull out. And we're going to go on and show you here in a minute. Let me get that door for you, babe. Gotta let the boss go first. Otherwise I end up with the water and I don't want it. So, and then we just take it out. We got a stump at this place here. And she's gonna pull the plug. We drain the water. The food, there's a screen in the bottom. So all the food particles will stay in the tub, and then we just clean that out into the garbage. Even rinse it in the sink or whatever. And this keeps our gray tank from filling up while we're dispersed camping. We're on day 4 now, and we're only a third full on our tanks. But then it collapses if you want, and this was the perfect size for us. You saw I just had it in there. It fits perfectly inside the sink. So there you go. And we clean it out. And that's soapy water. I don't think any critters are going to do that. It just goes away after a while. Like I said, all the food is in the trap there still. I don't want to see all that disgusting stuff. Ugh. And that's how one of our saving tips for water while we're dispersed. And just use water sparingly.
And this happens to fit perfectly in our sink.
Yeah, it does. Fits real perfect in the sink. So we'll see you in a little bit here. Oh, hold on. I almost forgot, because we're on day 4. A lifetime cooler. Day 4. Ice retention. Oh, and looky there. We still have ice. We started with 2 bags of ice to cool it down on Thursday. And that was on Thursday. And today's Sunday morning. And we drained some of the water out on Thursday night. Added 3 bags of, I think 10-pound bags of ice layered in with our drinks. And we haven't added since. And we're still getting ice. So I would say the Lifetime Cooler works really well. So we'll see you next time. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. Pruknik Adventures. Like and comment. Hopefully we can do some more of this.